Hi, welcome to Dream Massage LA. Feel free to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Dream Massage LA. Today, I will be indulging you in my evening skincare routine, and I am infusing a new product that I will be trying and reviewing by Teami. It is their Detox mask. The benefits of raspberry for the skin. Raspberries are high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants and provide anti-aging effects. Rose water soothes skin irritation, reduces skin redness, helps prevent and treats infections, contains antioxidants, heals scars, cuts, and burns, enhances mood, relieves headaches, and also has anti-aging properties. Matcha green tea is high in antioxidants, stimulates blood circulation, which is really good for cell turnover rates, and collagen elasticity for the face, which ultimately means there will be less fine lines and wrinkles. Matcha green tea flushes toxins. Lemongrass prevents the growth of bacteria and yeast, relieves pain, swelling, stimulates blood flow, and also has antioxidant properties. Bentonite clay removes toxins, balances oily skin, detoxifies the skin, treats acne, and also provides sun protection. It has matcha, lemongrass, and clay. I actually got the recommendation from ℍ𝕬𝕚𝕟𝕚𝕟𝕗's YouTube channel. I really love her channel. And her skin's always amazing, so I kind of like to try some things that she likes to try from time to time. That they promise that their products are natural, vegan, non-GMO, certified cruelty-free, made without alcohol, parabens, synthetic dyes, harmful chemicals, and it is also gluten-free as needed, best applied at night. So it is evening here. So before I went into this, I used my Skinscript raspberry refining cleanser, which has 2% salicylic and 2% glycolic acids with tea tree, and this is a refining cleanser that increases cellular turnover, bringing oil and debris to the surface. Salicylic then dries the uplifted oil. Tea tree calms and soothes the skin. So basically my cleanser has an even balance of AHA and BHA, is alpha hydroxy acids and beta hydroxy acids. Alpha hydroxy acids, I believe, are more of the fruit acids, and they clean the surface of the skin. And the beta hydroxy acid actually penetrate the skin a little bit more. Because of the two, it's kind of a powerful combination, and it can make your skin sensitive when you first start out with it. But I've been using this for about 2.5 years, and it cleared my acne really well. It took a little while, but I had adult acne, and this was like a very gentle, I would call it damn near a cure. That was a lifesaver. I would recommend that to anyone. Combination oily skin that's kind of confused and it doesn't know how to replenish itself, or whether to react a certain way to cleansers, is just like overdrying. For a while I was using ice cubes to decrease inflammation from all of the cystic acne that I had, and as you can see, I have like a little bit of scarring and freckles from since I was a kid. I was born with freckles, but the scarring kind of got a little bit more. From using too many chemicals to now using as many organic products as possible, this rose water, I keep it in the fridge, and so when I take the cotton round and go to the fridge, I usually just take like 3 turns of the bottle on a cotton round, and then I take it around my face in like a figure 3 motion all the way down my décolleté, just because that's kind of the way the lymphatic system moves. So it will help to also bring puffiness and any fluids that are creating swelling in your face, chin, neck area. It'll help bring that to the lymph nodes, which are here, and to get it out of your system. Anyways, so let's move on to this mask now. So I like to use a brush, a clean brush. Ever since I started using brushes for my exfoliators, including like those clay masks that you can buy from Target. I think the brand is like ℎ𝕣𝕗𝕣 or something like that. And they have a ton of like clay and sheet masks. I started noticing that I really like the paper ones because they're like just, you know, place and go. But I also have a tendency to like to do some self-care, and it's nothing like applying like a clay mask. It just feels very classic spa. So this is what the container looks like here. Between the ice and this skin wash, my skin was able to heal. Also, I found a really nice moisturizer.
Aloe soothes sunburns, cooling and anti-inflammatory properties, moisturizes, heals light wounds, and hyperpigmentation, fights skin aging, and reduces infection and acne. I really enjoyed this mask. It smelled so amazing. It had a very herbal, spa-like scent, and as I steamed the mask, I definitely felt aromatherapy benefits. I could feel my mood a bit more uplifted. It was a great experience. The mask left my skin feeling supple, fresh, clean. It looked radiant, much more youthful.
So I like to use vitamin E, and I actually got this from Target. Just put like a dime size amount on these fingers, and then I rub together like this with predominantly the last 2 and 3 fingers, and I take the last 2 fingers and I press as much of the oil as I can. And I try not to pull downwards. I just press. Then I take a little bit. As much. For the treatment. And also in the eyebrows too. I like vitamin E at night because it feels like it's the only thing that doesn't clog my pores like lotions at night, like night creams clog my pores. And when moving to California, my skin freaked out because it was like dry. So I had to figure something out, and I realized that oily skin can actually use oil to heal itself. Who would have thought? Something about oil pulling. I'll look into that, and then like I'll probably make a little video for you guys because it helps with your teeth as well as your skin and also with your hair. It's amazing what detoxing with oils can do. But anyways, I'm really digging this Teami face mask. My skin feels very clean and oxygenated. And And tomorrow I'm gonna go get a face threading. I really like how soft it's left my skin feeling. It's left my skin feeling super clean and not dry, not like clogged. It's definitely removed everything. Like, I was able to get that extraction out with minimal effort, and I had blackheads here. Maybe I'll do a before and after. Let me know what you think. If you've tried Teami products and you suggest anything, please feel free to leave any comments below. I will definitely read them and reply. Trying new things. And also Teami, if you see this video, please holler at your girl. I definitely wouldn't mind doing a sponsored video, my skincare facial video, and I will see you guys soon. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Happy holidays.